walking in solidarity with refugees all over the world. Also to spread UN's SDG goals and its message. So, as you know, UN's SDG goals, Sustainable Development Goals, are developed to maintain the good livelihood for all beings in the world, in the universe. So, it has to be done by every one of us. UN has 17 SDG goals, so we are spreading its message like environmental protection, also life underwater, life on land, and also zero hunger. Actually, we are spreading the message of UN's SDG goals. According to that, we have to end the refugees. We have to stop migrations from a country during the violence and persecution. So we are now completed, but we are now reached Bhatkal by completing about 9,000 kilometers from Kanyakumari. We started about 24 days ago. So now we have to complete about 4,000 kilometers in 180 days. So many organizations are supporting us like Chishti Foundation, Mohanji Foundation, Act for Hunger, Ammu Care Charitable Trust, mainly Ariel Foundation International, which I am a member of it, and I am a change maker from Ariel Foundation. So also for AM Club Foundation, Altruistic Association of India are supporting us in this our journey.
You are getting food or things?
Your
Yeah.
expenses
In hotel or other place?
It's supported by our organizations mainly, and we took some money from ourselves.
You are taking support from a local organization.
Yeah,
Now you have completed two districts, two states.
yeah.
One is
From
Kerala.
Kerala and
Karnataka.
second
Karnataka.
Karnataka. And now how many states
Now
are
Goa, Maharashtra. Then our next main stops will be in Panaji. We have a
Accommodations.
yeah, and programs.
Program also.
They are scheduled by Goan government. Also in Mumbai there are Kokla and Dhirubhai Ambani Hospital, and in Ahmedabad only Merit. Also in Ajmer, Chishti Foundation, Sayyid Salman Chishti is supporting us. Also in Jaipur, Delhi, then Manali, then Ladakh. Okay, that's our route. Then we will cover about 13 states in our journey.
Karnataka, who are supporting?
In Karnataka, there is Chishti Foundation and Mohti Sham is supporting.